Hey folks, Chris, Kentucky Woodsman. Today we're going to grab a peak. We're going to grab the peak of Stone Mountain, otherwise known as High Knob, in Wise County, Virginia. It also makes up the borders of Scott County and part of Lee County. Got a unique platform up here that we're going to check out and tell you a little story about it once we get to the platform. High Knob has an elevation of just over 4,000 feet, making it one of the higher points in this area. It's not the highest peak in Virginia. The highest peak would be Mount Rogers. But it is definitely one of the predominant areas as far as altitude and elevation goes in this part of Virginia. The mountain known as Stone Mountain, which sets the peak of High Knob, is one of the biggest mountains in Virginia. It has a total width of about 13 miles. The mountain itself is about 26 miles long, if I'm not mistaken. High Knob, Stone Mountain, is actually at the eastern edge of the Cumberland Plateau here in Virginia, which is also part of the Appalachian Mountains. It's a really neat place. Great views. There's a lot to see up here. If you watched any of my other videos, you will know that Stone Mountain also actually has Flag Rock. It's where the statue of the wood booger is at. Nice little recreation area. Far on the other side of where I'm at right now is where Devil's Bathtub is located. And we're basically in the middle of Jefferson National Forest. Okay folks, I want to tell you an interesting story about the history of the observation platform you see here behind me. It was originally built in the 1930s by the Civilian Conservation Corps. It was used as a fire tower. It stood for 40 years. And it was actually burned to the ground. It was rebuilt by the Flatwoods Job Corps in 1978 and 79. And then in 2007, it was burned again by arson. Now the neat thing about this is, much like the Phoenix, the third one rose from the ashes, and we have what you see here. Now one feature that this one has that the other two didn't is this one is fireproof. So hopefully it'll never get burned down again, and it'll be here for everyone to enjoy. Let's go up and check out the view. Okay, from this location here at the top of the tower, you can see a total of 4 states on a good clear day. You can see Kentucky, West Virginia, Virginia of course, and Tennessee. And there's even rumor has it that on a really clear day you can see North Carolina from here as well. And I wouldn't doubt it at all. High Knob and Stone Mountain Recreation Area. Offers camping, hiking, it offers picnic areas. It's just a really good location to come and spend the day in the outdoors. I highly recommend you checking it out. Thanks for watching, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on down the trail.